Here it is. Here it is. Look at that. We're going to dress it with all of the beautiful adornments that we put in there. Look at that. Look at that. And now it is time to taste this with Frank Gallo. Steak Pizzaiola, Mama Gallo style. Here we go. Oh my God. Benvenuti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight, very special meal. Tonight we're going to be making steak pizzaiola, or bistecca pizzaiola as we say in Italian. Now, I should tell you that when I was growing up, the reason we made steak pizzaiola was because we were so poor and the meat that we bought was so tough that we had to dress it up with something. So, in steak pizzaiola, whether it's good meat or tough meat, these are the ingredients. We have our tomatoes, we have our onion, our peppers, our potato, our garlic, homegrown oregano, black pepper, sea salt, basil, scallions, and some good extra virgin olive oil. And we have our 3 steaks. Not very expensive steaks at all, but they'll taste like $1 million when I'm done with them. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we're going to put some oil in the base of the pan, some extra virgin olive oil. Make sure it gets all across the bottom of the pan. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take our steaks, we're going to place them in the pan. Okay? Here they are in the pan. Look how beautiful they are. We're going to drizzle just a touch of olive oil over the top of them. Just a touch. Not much at all. Just a touch. Okay, so I've already pre-seasoned our onions, our peppers, our tomatoes, and some of our potatoes here in this dish here. And I've placed the steaks, 1, 2, 3 here, with some potatoes and scallions on them to let them sit a little longer than the other vegetables. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to shower these steaks with these beautiful pre-seasoned vegetables, okay? Here we go. That's where all the flavors, look how beautiful, look at all those colors. That's what's going to give that steak that incredible flavor. And it just, all the juices of all these vegetables go all over that steak, and it just absorbs it and makes it taste fantastic. Look how gorgeous that is. It's incredible. I'm going to add some salt, some oregano, some black pepper, some basil leaves. With basil, you want to tear the basil. That's what really gets the flavor going. Basil leaves. I put a touch of white wine in. I would say about a cup, okay, of white wine in there. It's just gonna really take the flavor to the next level. Good. Now we'll take a pre-perforated piece of aluminum foil. I perforate the aluminum foil so that the steam can escape. And into the oven it goes for, depending on the thickness of the steak, between 30 and 45 minutes. This will probably take 45 minutes. They're a little bit on the thick side. Place it up here. And into the oven it goes. Okay, so now the steak is ready after 45 minutes in the oven. Again, remember, it's depending upon how thick the steak is. Let's take it out. Let's get up. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Does anybody see the magnificent colors of the steak pizzaiola? Here's our plate. Move that cheese to the side. Over here I have my habanero, which I can't put on Sharon's version of the steak. We're gonna take out one of the beautiful pieces of steak here. Here it is. Here it is. Look at that. We're going to dress it with all of the beautiful adornments that we put in there. Look at that, look at that. But we cannot forget a little fresh basil. A little fresh basil, tear the leaves. That is for garnish. Look how beautiful that is, guys. Do you see that? I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of the sauce over it, just to give it a little more life. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Guys, I mean, really. I gotta stop being so good. It's not me, it's Mama. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna use this big knife to cut my steak because I want you to see how good it tastes. I'm gonna turn it, look at all that. I'm gonna cut a piece of steak here. I'm gonna leave all these beautiful ingredients on it. Look at that. Got the basil on there, here we go. And now, it is time to taste this with Frank Gallo. Steak Pizzaiola, Mama Gallo style. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, I just went back 50 years into my childhood and tasted my mama's steak pizzaiola. I hope you really enjoyed this episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. There'll be so many more coming. I need you to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep bringing you mama's recipes. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. And most importantly, I love you, Mama. Salute, 100 anni.